Good evening, everyone. Interesting story. It seems that Dracula may have been found on Mars. A resemblance of a Martian rock to a coffin has got UFO enthusiasts excited, with some demanding that NASA stop studying Martian geology until the Curiosity rover has turned around and checked the object out. WTHN correspondent Money Mo has more. Mo, what's going on?
Eh bien, en réalité, il ne se passe rien ici. L'homme qui a fait cette découverte a créé une vidéo sur YouTube où il déclare clairement qu'il ne croit pas qu'il s'agit d'un cercueil, mais qu'il a tout simplement la forme d'un cercueil ou d'une boîte rectangulaire. Ceci est juste une autre histoire idiote et je ne sais pas pourquoi on m'a demandé de la couvrir. Je suis une femme occupée.
So that was pretty much taken from a story that actually ran on a popular science website, IFL Science. So basically, we've made a mockery of a mockery. Well, the writer goes on to compare the YouTuber's findings to Charlie Brown and squirrels. The only one really relating this thing to Dracula was the IFL Science writer. And yes, I sit here in a cosmonaut suit, and there's other things I do, because it's become evident that you've got to be ridiculous these days to get people's attention. All anyone wants is entertainment. But there's a very serious matter at hand, and I truly believe we as humans on Earth are presently in a lot of very serious danger. I've presented to you already hundreds of objects that are part of what is growing evidence of an annihilated civilization on Mars. Now look at this object, roughly 10 to 20 feet in length, as scaling is difficult. But there is no way this is just some anomalous rock. We did increase contrast to dig for some detail, but really, it doesn't matter how you look at this thing. That's no rock. As a matter of fact, I contend that everything laying around on the surface is a lot more than just Martian rocks and Dracula coffins. Well, take a good look. If you feel the urge to talk about a bunch of rocks and coffins, there's places to go for that. I'm not dissing science in general, but science is not always right. It's being used as a basis for lies, and too many people follow it blindly as they would a religion. If you're drinking the Flavor Aid, you better get off it while you can. Okay, the same image, but this time looking through an overlay filter. It really brings out detail. So what's going on back there behind this object? What's up with that? Hey, are you kidding? There is nothing natural about any of that. Don't kid yourself. Death and destruction happened here. This image is from the same Martian day. We will temporarily blur some of the in-between surface area so to help you learn to calibrate your eyes. You must get used to doing this. These aren't anomalies. Anomalies don't exist here. Everything is either wreckage or the remains of basically a blown up civilization. And you've got something here that looks like it's been split right down the middle. This entire image is very telling. But look down here. So much is exposed if you just allow yourself to see it. We've got time for one more image from the same Martian day. Now, that's not just a rocky surface. Pay attention to the shapes and to the shadows being cast. Now, this object was heavily brushed over by NASA. They are hiding something right there, absolutely. And here, we tried restoring some color to this, and notice this object has been split into several pieces, and really it makes my pareidolia flare up, so we'll move on. The evidence is here, everywhere. But one last thing here. That object, are those markings on it? There was a civilization here, and it has been destroyed. We are in danger. Why? Because our space agency, the one funded by the people, is not working for the people. They are investigating this, yet we are not being included here. And the reasons for that may be the most dangerous and frightening part of it all.